Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. This is Vet, and today our lesson is going to be on how to paint snow globes. I have two different versions of how to insert an object within a glass bowl, and you can actually put any kind of design that you like. I'm also working on one that has the Dallas skyline, which I haven't finished yet, but I'll be working on that later. But I just wanted to show you that really any kind of ornament can go inside your holiday globe. We're going to be working with acrylic paint. If you already have a kit, you will have all the paint that you will need, which would be a set of these. These are acrylic paints that I poured myself. If you already have paint in a tube, I also like to use these 2-ounce and 1-ounce containers for my paint, so I can use larger amounts and then just snap them closed individually. I'm working with a variety of brushes. The main brush I'm going to be using is going to be the flat brush, and this is a small, I think this is a 1, depending on the brand it might be 2, but it's only about a quarter of an inch wide, and a detail brush. You can use a larger flat brush. This is a 3/4 inch brush for painting the background for bigger areas, but as you start getting into the details you want to have a little more control. Foam brushes are also okay. I'm going to be using my plate, and you can use a lid to a coffee can or even a larger plate if your surface is bigger, but this just happens to be small enough to do a globe on my 9x12 canvas. But any top will do, because you're going to use your pencil and you're going to trace around it. If you use a black canvas or a canvas that has a different color in the background, you can use chalk. But obviously if we use chalk on white, it's not going to show up. So having said that, I hope you have your cup of water and plenty of paper towels. So let's get started.